that was one story that really riled me up. The next story happened with my dad. So this is very weird and very chilling because this happened with my dad and he was still studying at a prestigious university, right? So he was of the age of me or maybe a little chota from me. So a little younger, छोटा little younger than me. So ये फिर ऐसे हुआ कि he was coming back from his university. He was a guy, so it was very late, and he was coming, and it was somewhat 12 or 1 o'clock, I would want to say. Man, I should have prepared for this video before. छोड़ो, अब तो जो भी मतलब टाइम मतलब ऐसा समझ लो कि एकदम रात था. तो ही वॉज कमिंग मतलब यहाँ पे हम बस से आ रहे थे, तो बस स्टॉप्ड वेयर ही लिव्ड. ठीक है. तो ऐसा था कि बस मतलब घर से आई डोंट वांट लाइक सम मीटर्स अवे में ही था. लाइक बस ने मेन रोड पे रोका एंड पापा का घर वॉज थोड़ा सा अंदर जाके. तो पापा मतलब बस रुका, पापा उतरे. सो दिस इज़ हिज वर्ड्स कि पापा मतलब जैसे उतरे, ही सॉ द बैक ऑफ अ मैन, राइट? ही सॉ द बैक ऑफ अ मैन एंड ही सेड कि ही थॉट टू हिमसेल्फ कि इतना लेट हो चुका है, लेट्स कॉल दिस गाय अप एंड वी कैन गो टुगेदर टू माई हाउस, क्योंकि बहुत लेट हो चुका है. उस टाइम पे तो मतलब अंधेरा, स्ट्रीट लाइट्स भी तो कितना ही होगा, एंड बहुत पहले का बात है. तो ही वॉज लाइक कि इसको बुलाते, क्योंकि फिर मतलब अगर चोर वोर आया तो फिर ही वोंट बी एबल टू प्रोटेक्ट हिमसेल्फ सो मच, राइट? तो ऐसे सीन हुआ. सो व्हेन दिस हैपेंड, so he started calling that guy, and that guy wasn't listening. He was just walking forward. Like my dad was going towards him, or हमेशा distance would be the same. Like he was calling that guy कि hey, do you wanna do you, obviously not in English, but yeah, you get the point. कि hey, एक साथ चले क्या, ऐसे वो hey ऐसे करके he was calling that guy, and that guy wasn't even looking back, or there was no action from him कि जिससे पता चले कि he is actually listening to dad. Okay, तो ऐसा सीन हुआ. तो डैड वाज लाइक कि अभी डैड भी मतलब ऐसे पूरा ट्रांस में जा रहे हैं. ठीक है, कि लाइक ये सुन क्यों नहीं रहा है भाई, ये क्या हो रहा है, इसका सीन क्या है. ठीक है. तो डैड वाज ऑल्सो लाइक कि यार मैं तो गिव अप नहीं करूँगा. डैड भी ऐसे लेके नहीं गिव अप नहीं करना, एंड वो मतलब हे करके वो बुला रहे, लाइक हे मतलब हेलो ऐसे करके बुला रहे, चिल्ला रहे हैं, वो सुन ही नहीं रहे. और जितना आगे जा रहे हैं उनको दिख रहा है कि दैट पर्सन और लाइक द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन हिम एंड दैट गाय वाज द सेम. अगर वो दौड़ भी रहे हैं तो इट वाज सेम, अगर वो नहीं भी दौड़ रहे हैं दैट इज सेम. तो ऐसे होता जा रहा है. ठीक है. तो अचानक से व्हाट हैपेंड, ही लाइक मतलब वो जा रहे हैं, ये होता जा रहा है. अचानक से व्हाट हैपेंड कि he felt something on his leg and he fell down. Then when he fell down, तब उनको सेंसेस में आए कि मैं कहाँ हूँ. ओके. Then what happened? Then when he came back to his senses now, he saw that he is not on the road. He has come somewhere, मतलब पास ही में ही जहाँ पे बस स्टॉप था, मतलब एकदम मडी सा एरिया है, एंड वहाँ पे कब्रिस्तान है, Like I still get goosebumps whenever he tells this story and I tell it back or I remember. I still get goosebumps because this is a very scary story, right? तो वो जब ऐसे देखे and he seeing कि पूरा dark है, there's like darkness around him, there's no street light, nothing, and he has come far away from that main road where he was supposedly, going towards the guy. And he came to his senses and he just stood up. He stood up. He didn't look back. He felt something was, staring at him and, koi to tha. He didn't look back and he just ran towards his house. He just ran. वो दौड़े, ऐसा भागे. Like मेरे डैड अभी भी बोलते हैं. Like मैं ऐसा भागा, मैं देखा भी नहीं पीछे what कि कौन है कौन नहीं. मैं just भागा हूँ. Like मैं भागा हूँ. I didn't even see because I thought, मतलब that is what is my dad says कि I thought कि अगर मैं पीछे मुड़ा I'll be gone. So I just ran towards my house and his house was कि ऐसे होता है कि गेट है, सीढ़ी है, सीढ़ी से ऊपर जाने से then right side में मतलब first story like ground floor and first floor है and first floor में it was my dad's house and my grandfather was alive at that time. He just ran. He knocked the door very hard and just screamed dad करके. My grandfather opened the door and then he just slept to beside him and उनको पकड़ के उन्होंने वो सो गए. And then next day he had a very high fever, like very high fever. And my dad still says कि I cannot ever forget that day कि जब ऐसे मेरे साथ हुआ था. And this story was like, oh my god, what, like मेरे को तो खुद को यार मतलब this is like in his uni days, like something if might have happened to him, I wouldn't be here sitting in front of you talking to you guys because he was still in uni and I was very scared, like I asked him like have you ever seen that guy again? So he said no, I didn't see. And I said कि like मतलब जहाँ पे ये चीज़ हुआ था it's very like even if you want to go somewhere it comes in the अभी तो उस जगह पे like मतलब बस्ती हो चुका है and people live there, but उस टाइम पहले के ज़माने में तो कुछ ऐसे बस्ती कुछ नहीं था, nothing, like there was nothing there. And we can still see that, like we pass by that area and I still ask him like have you like are you still scared of that place or something? And he says no, I'm not scared, I just know what I saw. It's very difficult for people to understand what I saw and I don't mind it, but I know what I saw and it cannot be something that I imagined because I still fell and I still know that feeling. When I got up I felt something was behind me and I still ran towards my house and I know, and this cannot be something someone imagines. So मेरी तो हालत टाइट थी जब मैंने ये चीज़ देखा, मतलब मैं सुनी मेरे डैड से and I was like man, this is some high level shit and I was very scared of my dad. And उसके बाद से तो I still remember कि जब when he told me his story ना, I wasn't letting him go. I was like I'll protect you, I will not let you go anywhere. And I was very like a very small kid when when my dad told this story to me. And obviously like as a child you don't want anything to happen to your parents because obviously they are very close to you, they are your family and everything. So I still remember that I wasn't letting him go and everything, and he was so sweet and he used to hold me and he used to tell me like nothing will happen to your dad and everything. So it was very emotional for me as well. because not because you know the feeling that I'm talking to you about, right? Anything happens to you, you can go through it. You know how that there are people who will be there for you, but you don't want to go like if those people only get hurt तो तब तो मतलब बहुत weird हो जाता है ना. So I was like very like I used to be very scared like something might happen to him, but we are okay, touch wood. And also update on the eyeshadow, so it's really amazing, the color and everything. And I'm going to apply the Super Shock formula now. Okay, the glitter is really amazing. It has little flecks of green in it, since this is a green palette, and I am loving this one. And I'm proud of myself that I went beyond my normal makeup routine, which is first base then eyeshadow, because this glitter particle and everything, this just goes on and on. I'm taking the first transition shade again because it has disappeared. To base, nothing new, you guys. I'm just going to speed up this. Now I'm going to do my lower lash line, taking the first transition shade and trying to connect it with the upper eye. I'm taking the same green color and just focusing it in my outer third corner. This look needs a liner, so yeah. I'm just finishing up my makeup look because मैं शुरुआत में इतना बग दी ना कि मेकअप मेरा ठप हो गया. So I'm just completing my makeup look very fast. Yeah. Now it's coming together. My eyeliner dried up. What to do? Do we need a bronzer today? I think we do. The same bronzer since we started using this. bronzer done. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me blush. Pink is going great with this eye look. Something very weird is happening. मेरे दिमाग में तब से Amul Cool, chill your dill, Amul Cool, chill your dill. यही दिमाग में चल रहा है. और अगर ये नहीं चल रहा तो she kisses my boo-boos, she braids my hair, my mother is beyond compare. If you don't know about this dialogue and who said it, then I cannot help you. You have missed a very important character in the cinema history. Time for highlighter, and today I'm going to use a really new highlighter which I wanted to try for so long, and this is Becca highlighter in the shade Moonstone. It's just one swipe, and this is the finish that it gives me. It's very pigmented yet very light, you know, very light. Oh, nice. I love this. This can be used as a bridal highlighter as well, since it has specks of gold in it. It's a very nude highlighter. I feel this is kind of making me remember the Champagne Fizz highlighter from K-Beauty. The finish is mostly the same. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, I love this. Sadly, Becca is going to close because of COVID. I think many people, बहुत लोगों ने बहुत चीज़ें lose की, and I was very sad when I heard कि Becca is closing down. And before Becca closing, I wanted to get my hands on their highlighter, and I got my hands on the Moonstone one because Champagne Pop was out of stock, and it still is. So I'm going to quickly do my mascara and come back. Hi you guys, I have come back and this is the final look. I absolutely loved the eyeshadow today and the primer from Becca. It literally gave me very dewy look, and the Becca highlighter was also very fab. Please ignore my liner because my liner just said कि मैं सूख गया हूँ, please छोड़ दे मेरे को और मेरे को मत यूज़ कर. And I was like okay, मैं नया खरीद लूँगी. So I really tried my best, but this is all I could get. And yeah, so I really hate when these kind of things happen, but it did happen, so let's just ignore it. And आज का दिन ऐसे में भी उतना look wise नहीं था और the products wise नहीं था, ज़्यादा story time पे था. So yeah, let's just forget and move on. Hopefully you loved the stories that I told you. Let me know in the comments down below if you like to hear more stories like this, not ghost stories or something, but you know, some other stories or something, like stories about my life and everything, and there's so many things that I can share with you guys. So let me know in the comments down below. And if you're still here and you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe कर ले यार, कर ले subscribe, एक ही बटन है, subscribe कर ले. And follow me on my Instagram account, that is at HDSuri, and I post makeup related content and funny. There are so many things that I create on Instagram as well, so please follow me there and stay happy yaar. मतलब I know like there is a second wave of COVID happening right now in this world and in India, so I really hope that you are staying safe and बिना मास्क के मत घूमो. Do not be the hero here. There is nothing a hero or loser here. You have to always, think about your family and think about yourself and others as well. You should be responsible citizen right now. So please do that and take care of yourself, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.